Hello everyone, this is a 42-inch Atlantic air ceiling fan by Alaska, which was made for Kmart, which is where it was sold. And this fan is new in the box, which I got from an antique store in San Antonio for $15. And I was actually pretty excited because I really like this model, so new in the box even better. It's got reversible blades. I installed it with the walnut side down, but it does have the option for oak finish. It's also flush mountable, but I do not have it flush mounted. 3-speed reversible with the light kit, fully integrated. It's got that amber glass. And I'm going to turn it on now. It's high speed. This model has always been kind of underwhelming when it comes to power. And this one is certainly no exception. So that's high. This chain. Medium. Oops. Low. And off. Reverse it. So, to summarize, cool fan, slow, not a great air mover, but I still like it, and I hope that you enjoyed.